Hi, Jennifer here with True Health for You, and I just got done with one of my favorite hikes this morning, and I thought I would share some insights and some things that I thought maybe that you guys could benefit from. And I'm sorry if the camera's wobbly. I actually forgot my tripod today, and my arms are getting tired, so I'm going to do my best here. So, if you're someone that works out of an office, is constantly indoors, is constantly just under a roof and surrounded by computers, or just doing the same old thing over and over again, get outside. Hiking is actually part of my workout routine. I'm not, me personally, I don't like just being stuck at a gym. I like to work out from home. There's times I do like to go to the gym. Sometimes I like to be outside, walking, doing hikes. It's amazing the calories that you'll burn just by doing that. Um, and also just, you guys know, when you guys have gone on vacations, you know what it feels like when you're at the ocean, in the mountains. If you're, someone that lives in colder climates and you come to the desert or you go to a tropical climate, how good you feel. Not only is it good for our mental health, it's good for our bodies, our physical health. We receive vitamin D, we get red light. You know what? I'm going to post a documentary in the link in the description box for you guys, talking about earthing and grounding. And it's a free documentary on YouTube. I think some of them are on Netflix, but I'll post the link in the description and watch it. It is amazing to see what people have gotten rid of, like illnesses and pain and depression and anxiety. They've gotten rid of it just by being outside, having their feet on the ground, experiencing the amazing goodness that nature can bring to you, and how it has changed their life. I know I notice a huge difference when I don't come up here to the mountains and I don't have my hikes. I just feel like everything is a little bit harder, and I tend to get frustrated more, and that's when I know I need to stop and get up to the mountains. And I enjoy it. My daughter enjoys it. We've had amazing conversations, just her and I being out here. It's definitely a bonding experience. There's no distractions. It's quiet, and a lot of times you and your family or just yourself can receive a lot of clarity, and you can problem solve and kind of just figure out where your life is going, in the quiet. Especially if you live in the city, it's difficult. It's difficult with the computers and the just the traffic, and sometimes it can be chaotic. So get outside, and reap the benefits. So I hope this video was beneficial. I hope you learned something. I hope it made you feel good. Don't forget to watch that documentary. It's really, really good. So you guys have a great day, and till next time.